So I'm here in Gmail and I've had somebody contact me asking for some advice on how to do something with a particular tool. So what I'm going to do, rather than email them back written instructions, I'm going to give them some verbal, visual feedback instructions. So I'm just going to create the email. I'm just going to drop in that email and add in their how-to guide. I'm just going to say, "Hi Ben, please see the video below regarding your question." Okay, just correct that. There we go. So now I'm ready to actually record what I want to do. So the information they've asked me about is about Google Sites. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Google Sites. Okay, and what they've asked me to do is to show them how they can add a banner announcement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here and I've got two options here. I've got Screencastify and I've got Loom, both of which are free screen recorders. Screencastify will allow me to record for free for 5 minutes, and Loom will enable me the same, although for educators through your school accounts, you can get a 45-minute free recording account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Loom here, and I'm going to make sure that it's working, and I can see that the microphone recording settings are bumping up and down, and I'm recording my screen only. So I'm just going to start recording. I'm going to choose what I want to do. So I'm going to do my whole screen. It's going to count me down. Hi Ben, so if you want to add a banner to your Google site, all you need to do is come up to the settings cog here, and you'll notice that there's now an option called announcement banner. And you can choose any message you like. So it might just be, for example, click here, or new content, for example. The button label might then be click here, and then you can link that to specific information or a specific website or a specific page within your site. So I'm going to link this one to my Myedtechbuddy. Here we go. And it's suggesting an option there, but I don't want to use that one, so I'm going to keep that separate. Now you'll notice that it's automatically here, new content, click. If I click up here again, I can choose with my announcement banner as well if I want a particular color there to make it stand out a little bit more. So I can choose straight away to add that, and I can have it on all pages or just on the home page. Okay, and there we go. Nice and simple. And once I click publish, that will be available on the main site. Now all I need to do is just click again on the Loom extension. It's going to give me the video. I can give it a new title, adding a banner to your site. It does give me the option to trim the video and things like that if I'd like to. I can, if I want to as well, decide on the viewing specifics of that. So I could make it for specific people only. I can download it, I can duplicate it, but the easiest thing to do is just to copy the video link. And if I now go into my Gmail and I just paste it in here, and you'll see it pops up as a mini version there. And then all I need to do is to click send. And that's it.